arriving at a general form of the circle formula, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. That works when the centre of the circle is at the origin. What if the centre of the circle is not at the origin? What if the centre of the circle is somewhere else? Okay. What if it's like this? We've got some points, let's call it h, okay, as just a general point, could be anywhere, and I've drawn it for the moment, not going through the axes, but could still sit across different quadrants. For the moment, let's just consider this case here. How could we arrive at an equation that still meets this? That's a set of all the points that are equidistant from a fixed point, except now the fixed point is not the origin, the fixed point is somewhere else, HK. The centre is now somewhere else. We still say the same things though. We still know that this point down here is a fixed distance from that centre, and we can still construct a right-angled triangle. How can we work out though then the sides of that right-angled triangle?
Do you work out how far it's moved from the origin? I mean the centre of the
You
circle.
can kind of come from that, but let's continue just with this for the moment. We're not the same point, but let's continue on this. How can I work out what this distance is here? Distance 1 and distance 2, because they're the two sides of the right angle triangle that we use to work out, using Pythagoras, what we can write up here. Okay, so we're going to still say something equals r squared, because we've still got a radius. Okay, what is distance? Let's start with distance 2. What is that? So if I want to say this is x comma y, over here, that point there, what is distance 2? Let me draw some things in that might help us. So I know that that point has an x-coordinate of h. This point has an x-coordinate, which say generally has x for the moment. And so what is that distance there? Well, it's the same as that distance down here. X minus h. So if that's x minus h for a distance, then what goes into our Pythagoras? That distance squared. Okay? Actually, let me try and over this side, so we can get x's first. We like giving x's first. Okay? And then I'll go next. Now I'm going to add this distance squared. Now we'll have a go at trying to work out what that distance is without me drawing the extra copy.
I think K.
Now you said k minus 1, and then you said y, or y minus k. They actually both work. Why? Because because the difference is only just whether it's positive or negative. It's still the same, the difference, and because we square it,
It's just positive.
and so just for, I guess, kind of neatness sake, we keep the y first. If you done k minus y and then square that, you still have the same.
So how come with x you put x further away and with y you put it closer to the origin?
Because that's the x, that point there is xy,
Oh.
and that's the
Oh,
y
okay.
coordinate. Can everyone see that? So that distance there is the same as x minus h, and that one's the same as k minus y or y minus k. Just to keep things neat, we go with y minus k, because when you square it, it all comes positive anyway. And so that is our now completely general form of a circle equation. No matter where in the Cartesian plane the circle exists, we can describe our circle as x minus the x value of the centre, all squared. plus y minus the y value of the centre, all squared, equals the radius squared. So, what is the equation of a circle, centre 0, 0, let's go back to our basic one, radius 3. What is the equation of that circle? I say, alright, x minus the x value of the centre, 0, all squared, plus y minus the y value of the centre, 0, all squared, equals the radius squared. I can simplify that. What's that? Just x. What's that? Just y. What's that? No. That is the equation of a circle at centre 0, 0 with radius 3. Okay? What if I ask, what does it now become? Now I've got a circle centre 2, 5, radius 8. Okay? 2, 5, 8.
Yes.
Can I simplify that?
Well, x squared.
I can expand it, that's not simplifying. Can I simplify that?
No.
Okay, why? Because there's an x term and a number term, we can't put them together with subtraction. So it's x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 5 all squared. I can simplify that though, 64. That's the equation of a circle, centre 2, 5, radius 8.